Hello friends, my name is Ashfaq Ahmed Nasir. I'm trainer with ICICI Foundation. Today under the basic English, we are going to learn about sentence construction nouns. And the objective behind the learning is what is noun and how we can use in our daily life. So let's start to understand noun, and before that we have a quick game. So you narrate from A to Z in your brain, and when I said start, then you start narrating, and when I say stop, then you just stop yourself. So shall we begin? Start. Stop. What did you get? I got the alphabet D. So you have to think a name, place, animal or thing with the letter D. I also do the same. I thought the name Deepika, place Delhi, dog and desk. What do you think? Okay, let's start it again. So start. Stop. This time I got letter S, and just think name, place, animal, thing with the letter S. And I thought Swati, Srinagar, sheep and stool. So the name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of a thing, that is actually called noun. So let's see noun in detail. A noun is a word used to refer to people, animal, place, things, substance, events, concept, quality, and feelings. People, like we can say man, women, uncle, auntie, lawyer, doctor, Mohan, Suresh, Deepika, these all are the noun. When we talk about place, like village, town, temple, school, restaurant, playground, India, Jagdalpur, these all are the noun. When we talk about things and substance, like pencil, chair, car, football, mobile, and substance like medicine, chemical, liquids, these all are also noun. In events like book fair, office party, your birthday party, Independence Day, meeting, these all are also noun. And last but important is feeling, like exciting, sad, happy, angry, these are also noun. So when you understand noun very clearly what is noun, then I have a tip for you. Just ask yourself, is it a place, thing, animal, person, event, substance, idea, quality, and feeling? If the answer is yes, then it's a noun. Here we have some examples. You can pause the video and you can note it down. So let's see a conversation between two persons, and we will find out where is the noun in this day-to-day conversation. So let's start. Mohan, hey, did you check your mail? In this sentence, word mail is a noun because it's a thing. Sachin, yes, there is a meeting in half an hour in the conference room. In this sentence, word meeting is a noun because it's an event. And room is also noun because it's a place. Mohan, please carry your files for the meeting. So in this sentence, the word file is a object, that's what it's a noun, and meeting is again event. Sachin, I don't see my files here. Shweta had kept it on my desk yesterday evening before leaving for home. In this sentence, file is a noun. Shweta is name of a person, that's why it's a noun. And desk, object, that's what's a noun. And evening is showing actually the time of event, that's what it's a noun. And home is a place, so it's a noun. Mohan, check your drawers. She might have kept it there. So in this sentence, drawer is a noun. And as you can see, she, I, you, they are also referring a person. But it's not noun, it is pronoun, which we are going to discuss in our next session. Sachin, oh yes, I can say it. Thanks, Mohan. In this sentence, word Mohan is a name of a person, that's why it is a noun. Mohan, you're always welcome, Sachin. So I see a new pair of shoes that you are wearing today. So in this sentence, the name Sachin is a noun because it's a name of a person. And pair, it is actually an idea. Like things comes individual, and when we use two things together, that's called pair. So pair is an idea, that's what it's a noun. Shoes, a thing. And Sachin, yes, my dog chewed my old shoes, and that's why I have to buy a new one yesterday evening. So in this sentence, dog is the name of animal, that's why it's a noun. Shoes, a thing. Evening is again time of event. That's why it is a noun. Mohan. Oh, that good. That good. You bought a new one. It looks good. Sachin. Thanks, Mohan. Let's leave for the meeting now. So the word meeting is again a noun. So let's see, understand more noun. In this picture, there are some question mark. You just name this question mark. You can pause and name down the things. Let's see what are their name. Here it is: books, flower pot, clock, frame, lamp, desk, chair, dustbin. Sachin and Shweta. If you remember in this previous slide, here a question mark and here also a question mark, because he is man and he is women. So man and women, that is actually common noun. But when we put this man a name Sachin, then it becomes a proper noun. Same Shweta, she is a woman. But when we put the woman a particular name like Shweta, so it becomes proper noun. Just like that, here it is books. But when we give a particular name, then it becomes a proper noun, but books are common noun. So let's understand common noun and proper noun again in detail. So here are some common noun like office, chair, technician, dog. So dog is a common noun. But I have a pet and I named the pet like Tony. So that Tony, it becomes proper noun. So here is the proper noun, like name of the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that's a proper noun. Name of the person like Mahatma Gandhi, it's again a proper noun. Name of festival like Diwali, Christmas, it's a proper noun. Country name like we can say India, USA, that's again a proper noun. And here is the palace. If it is just a palace, then it comes in a common noun. But it is actually Taj Mahal. So where it has a particular name, that's what it's a proper noun. So a common noun, we can say a name given in common to every person, thing, animal. Things like desk, chair, animals like bird, dog, lion, place like hotel, school, office, temple, or people like technician, doctor, lawyer, or teacher. Same for proper noun. We can say a proper noun is the name of some particular person, place, or thing. And do remember, it begins with a capital letter. People's name like Mahatma Gandhi, Nelson Mandela, Amitabh Bachchan. Days of the week name like Monday, Tuesday, or month name like January, February. Celebration of special days like Independence Day, Deepavali, Christmas. And famous monuments like Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Birla Mandir. And people living in particular country like India, Indians, US, Americans. So let's understand this common and proper noun with some exercise. Here's a sentence: Amit works in a company. So tell me which one is common noun and which is proper noun. Okay, I'll tell you. The name Amit, because it's a specific name of a man, of a person, that's what it's a proper noun. But company, it's a common noun because there is no specific name of company. So it's a common noun, company, and Amit is a proper noun. But here in this sentence, Amit works at Google. So Amit is a specific name of a person, that's why it's a proper noun. And Google is a specific name of a company, that's why it is also a proper noun. Here we have one more example. Vijay Chopra is my boss. So in this sentence, Vijay Chopra is a specific name of a person, that's why it's a proper noun. And boss, there is no specific name, that's why it's a common noun. So today we learned nouns and type of noun, common noun and proper noun. So when we talk about like say car, so it's a common name. But when you talk about Maruti, Hyundai, Audi, it becomes a proper noun. Like we say TV, that's a common name. But when we talk about LG, Samsung, Sansui, it becomes a proper noun. So just whenever you talk with someone learning something from internet, from magazine, from book, newspaper, so you just identify what are the nouns, which one is common noun, which one is proper noun, and improve your English with lots of practice. So all the best, keep learning. Thank you.